Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Linda. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, so this video is going to be all about this makeup look which I have on. This makeup look was actually inspired by Peter Charles. He's a makeup artist, and I watched a video he did with Nikki tutorials, and it really inspired me to want to go beyond doing like the usual makeup looks, like because of the way like the country which I live in is, like the way my society which I find myself in is, we just tend to stick to like the norm, like what is like socially acceptable, as the conventional way. But then I don't think I want to do that anymore, so I just really got inspired to create something fierce, colorful, I don't know, man, but man, I really love this look which I created. And if you'd like to see how I went about creating this look, then please keep on watching this video. And yeah, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and also check me out on other social media platforms. The links to my details of my social media platforms is going to be in the description box, so you can go over there to check it out. And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and just keep on watching it. Let's just get right into the tutorial itself. Yeah, so guys, to start out with this look, I'm going to be using this red lipstick which I have right here to serve as a base for this eyeshadow. So I'm just going to carefully just dab that lipstick all over my eyelid area. Then I'm going to reach for this tapered brush right here just to blend it in really well all around my eyelid area. Next, onto the eyeshadow. I always like to use my Beauty Treats Professional palette. This is actually like a blush palette. I like to use like the blushes in this palette right here just to serve as my transition color. And I'll be using this red one right here as my transition color for this look. I'm just going to be blending it all over my entire eyelids and my crease. And I'm going to extend it above the crease area. I'm just going to reach for this pointed blending brush just to really, get into the corners right here. So I'm just going to go back to this blending brush just to blend that same blush all over my entire eyelids, just to ensure everything is well blended and smooth. So guys, next I'm going to be using my classic glitter glue and this red glitters which I have here, and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid area like I did with this right here. So next I'm going to be using my liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the Hengfang. It's a very affordable liquid eyeliner, and I also sell this eyeliner on my page on Instagram, ENL Beauty. I'm going to put links to my page or the name of my page in the description box, so you could go check it out if you want to get this liquid eyeliner. The thing about applying your eyeliner after you apply the glitter is you would need to make sure the brush is really wet when you're applying it on the glitter area, else it wouldn't show up. Lashes, and then this lash which I'm also using, I also stock these lashes on my store on Instagram, so you could go over there to check it out if you like to purchase these lashes. Oh, using my Hengfang liquid, it's a gold liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to be using it to kind of like trace my eyeliner, but then I'm not going to be tracing it like straight down to my line. I'm just going to trace it at the beginning part, trying to like do like a line just to like start at where like I applied my eyeliner, and then I'm going to also do the same line towards like the end of my liner, as you can see. And then I'm going to start to connect that liner now to create like a cut crease look. I know nobody was born with steady hands, but if you just keep on going, of course you should get it right. I'm just going to quickly go back to this eyeshadow which I used all over my crease area just to blend it above that liner. So guys, for my waterline, I'll be using my Mabrook extremely soft eyeliner pencil to line my waterline. So guys, to prime my skin, I already used the Rimmel London makeup primer all over my face. Then for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in number 340. Just use my beauty blender sponge just to buff that foundation all over my face. Lighting my face using my Ezemedolu Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I also used the Ezemedolu Chestnut Concealer to kind of like add some warmth to my skin. So guys, I already like highlighted my face and set the highlighted parts of my face. So now I'm going to be using this LA Pride contour game palette just to dust off, just to blend all of the powder on my face and contour my face and all. Using this dark shade right here just to contour my cheekbone area. Then I'll use this one right here as my all over face powder. Sorry, I mean, I really digged into it too much. So guys, for blush, I'm going to be using the same blush which we used as our transition color. Just a very little of it is okay, just to add just a little flush of color to our cheeks. Then next off, to highlight, I'm going to be using the highlighter in this LA Pride USA contour game palette. This highlight right here, just gonna dab it onto the brush. Wow, I love this highlight so much. Brow bone area, just right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to that same blush color which you used, and I'm just gonna smudge it with this flat shader brush just underneath my bottom lash line, so that it kind of like blends with the upper my mascara to my bottom lashes. Don't even know why I kept it right now. Like, am I the only one this thing happens to, that you're applying your makeup and then suddenly you don't even know where you dropped your things again? Oh, mascara, where are you? Finally, yeah, I found it. And then I always like to just go back to my cotton bud just to, like, you know, clean it out a bit so that it doesn't stain like my under eye area. I kind of felt the need to pair the eye makeup look with this dramatic bold lip look, because of course it's an anti-Valentine makeup look, so I wanted something really fierce and, you know, just dramatic, which is different from like the usual makeup looks I do. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now. Go over to the subscribe button below, the red one, click on the subscribe button, and also hit the post notification bell so that I get notified when I post new videos on my channel. And yes, so if you have ideas on the kind of videos you'd like me to, you know, create on my channel, to make on my channel for you, please just let me know in the comment section. And of course, I may just be doing a video for you. And yeah, I really want to, you know, just tap into my creative ability this year, you know, do things that are outside of the norm in terms of makeup. And so that's basically it, guys. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. And remember to be bold and always have courage. I love you for watching. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.